What raises eyebrows at the IRS? What gets you in its crosshairs? Hi there, my name's Kenner French. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Vast Holdings Group, and I've been asked by Vast Solutions Group, our subsidiary, to come talk to you a little bit about what gets you audited, potentially or otherwise. We work with over 1,000 different entrepreneurs across the country and have a unique expertise in being the tax and financial engineering firm for small business owners. Frankly, we know something about tax strategies. Anyway, now, if you're doing something wrong, you should be audited. You should be, hopefully you're getting caught. Anyway, the fear of an audit may be overblown, as only 0.6% of taxpayers had their federal returns examined as late as 2017. Now, that same year, only 4.3% of taxpayers with gross income before deductions of over $1 million had their returns scrutinized. Now, some of this is down to low staffing at the IRS. 2016, the IRS audited 0.7% of the returns, part of an overall downward trend. Still, no one likes the extra stress of the courtesy of an IRS call. Let's look at some of the red flags that might get you a little bit of extra scrutiny by the IRS. The information in the material is not intended as tax or legal, by the way. It may not be used for avoiding any federal income tax penalties. Please consult a legal or tax professional for specific information regarding your individual situation. That's very important. No, filing a paper tax return. Why is filing an electronic return better than the old-fashioned paper form? Turns out that paper returns get more attention as the information is transferred through the IRS as your information is recorded. Because most electronic filing options check your math, a paper return has more chance of featuring errors. More IRS scrutiny leaves the door open for more IRS questions in your time. Taxable income of $1 million or more, if you're reporting that sort of income, you may want to look into hiring a professional. Hopefully you are. Taxpayers who work with an accountant raise far fewer red flags than people doing it alone. Huge deduction. Is your business enterprise losing money, or is it just a hobby? Did you really donate $6,000 worth of office supplies to a charity, and do you have the receipts to back that up? The IRS routinely checks returns for deductions that seem crazy and outlandish. Living large. Does the IRS peruse social media? Yep, it does, as we all do. The IRS has done good detective work for the years. Its investigators know how to check out DMV and employment records to get a better picture of an errant taxpayer. Today, photos and posts on Facebook and Twitter can telegraph potentially valuable nuggets of information, particularly about young taxpayers who have come into wealth that returns that don't seem to show that. Keep it simple. File early and accurately. Keep your records and other pertinent papers on file. Spend a little time each month arranging your financial matters so that taxes can remain a relatively painless process. Now, these are just some of the things to think about so you're staying out of the crosshairs of the IRS. Now, as a reminder, don't do anything wrong. If you're breaking the law, you should get caught. You're gonna get caught. But at the same time, if you're doing it right, there's a small opportunity, a small chance that you're actually gonna get audited. And if you do, there's professional advisors out there who can help you through that process. Speaking of professional advisors, Vast Solutions Group. You can use us for your tax and financial engineering advice. You can research us on the web at www.vastsolutionsgroup.com, or you can give us a call, 888-808-8278. Our expertise is helping small business owners mitigate their taxes, not overpay their taxes. Number one. Number two, prepare you for retirement. Our goal is to make sure that business owners are obtaining their retirement goals, and even after their retirement goals, hopefully they can make sure that they don't run out of money while they're in retirement. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure spending just a little bit of time with you, and hopefully this has some way helped you to achieve at least a few of your goals. Once again, Kenner French, it's been a pleasure.